here in one of the beaches around Bodega Bay. Yusuf, say hi. Yusuf, as you can see behind us is our mussels. We're gonna go mussel hunting or fishing. Some starfish too. There's a lot of marine mammals around here, or marine. How do you call it? They started doing their mussel fishing or hunting. Okay, let's go see what they're up to. Oh, you guys need a permit. You can buy this from Dick's, Bass, or Walmart. This costs like $49.94 or $50, and it's good for 1 year. Don't forget, you need this.
So guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to comment.
Hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell. Come on guys, hit the bell. For notifications. And don't forget to share.
And like.